Let us learn ABC in nature. A is for ant. B is for butterfly. C is for cloud. D is for daisy. E is for earth. F is for flower. G is for grass. H is for hill. I is for island. J is for jungle. K is for koala. L is for leaf. M is for mountain. N is for nest. O is for ocean. P is for pebble. Q is for quail. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for tree. U is for underwater. V is for volcano. W is for wind. X is for xerophyte. Y is for yard. Z is for zoo.